Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So we will continue our learning of simple oil reservoir modeling. And this is our model. In previous videos, we have talked about the dataset, the grid, and the rock fluid properties, something like that. And I just added aquifer, but we will talk about the aquifer later on. And again, this is the thin side layer, okay? The permeability along Z direction very small. So this is our baffle, and we want to test whether the baffle really works to preserve the oil below this layer. But we will talk about it later in next videos. Okay, but the main thing that I want to show you here is just to check the props file here. So again, this is a simple model. This is very simple. All right. So we have only 1, 2, 3, and 4 keywords. The first one is density. Okay. So this is the fluid densities at surface conditions. Okay. I will close it first, and then let's go to fluid properties. And the density will be here. So density. Okay. It's not the data set, but the props. So you can see the first one is oil density 50, and then water density, and then gas density at surface conditions. Okay, and then PVTO is the live oil PVT properties with dissolved gas. So it's a live oil, okay, live oil. And we can see here, I'm going to go to PVT oil here, the table. And you can see we have RS, solution gas ratio, and then formation volume factor, and then viscosity. And this is the plot. And this is the table. Okay, and the data is here. For pressure of 15, 300, 600, 900, and 1157. Okay, you can see here the first one is this one. This is for RS, 0, 120, and 222.5. And then this one, 1.0452, 1.0436 is for the formation volume factor. All right, and this is 1.155, 1.033. This one is for the viscosity. All right, so it's very simple. And don't forget to close the keyword with slash. And then we have for the water is PVT water, PVTW. I'm going to close this. PVT water, okay, just one row. So very simple again. All right. So the first one is the value of pressure that I provided, 1182, formation volume factor for water, water compressibility, and then water viscosity. Okay. And viscosity, just leave it blank or 0. But if you have the real data, you can input it here. But I just want to emphasize that this is very simple. PVTW, property for water, close with slash. Again, density, close with slash. That's a must. And PVTO, close with slash for each property. Okay, each value. And lastly, this is very simple. PVDG, this is property for the dry gas. Here we have 3 columns, the pressure, gas formation volume factor, and viscosity. And don't forget to close with slash. I'm going to go to PVT gas table. Here we have pressure, formation volume factor, and viscosity, and the values come from this. All right, let me squeeze it first. Okay, so we have completed the property section. It's a simple model. It's very, very simple. And in the next video, we are going to talk about the schedule. Yeah, but until then, see you and thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is useful, interesting, and helpful for your work and study. And see you again in the next simple modeling videos. Thank you.